GMC Acadia 2011 V6 3.6. If you guys have any problem losing one of power steering pump bolt, one in the back of the engine is right here. Yeah, you can see this where the spark plug goes. You just go behind the same direction, and it's right here. You can feel it. You can do it from here, no problem at all. So you don't have to go underneath the car. Yeah, that's where it's power steering pump. So one of the bolts is right here, and the back one, it's right here. You're gonna be able to touch it right here. I hope this video helps you guys, and good luck.